Okay, I'm going to show you how to create your own course in Mathletics. You need the administrator password, which I'll give to you in the email. Your own teacher one won't work for this, you need the administrator one. You go into, when you log in, you go into Mathletics Administration Center and you click on Course Creator. And I've created two courses for you with very little in it. That's for you guys to work out what you want, but they're here, Year 7 Glen Watt TS and LB. I've written my name on it so that anyone from BSDE knows, hopefully, not to delete it. If they see your names, they may get confused and think it's weird and delete it. So you can view your course and see what's in it already if you ever want to check it out. At the moment I've put a tab in for each of you under fractions and put a few activities in. Alright, so you can click on those and see the activities, but really you need to go into edit the course. So you click edit and then you click edit course. Alright, now in here you can edit your course name. Alright, so change it a little bit if you like, but try to keep my name on it to avoid it being deleted. And then you click a new topic, right, if you like, and that one might be ratio, for example. Just think about how you want to set this up, and you go submit. Alright, now in the fractions one or the ratio one, whatever, I go edit content. I can edit the name if I want to change that later, you know, that one, but I'm going to go inside to edit content. And I get a list of activities now to look through. When you do this, occasionally it's weird, it doesn't work. You set this up and then it's missing, like it's just weird, but eventually you'll probably be able to get it to work. Usually it's fine. So it's Australia. Probably stick with activity topic. You can also search by the name of the activity, but sometimes it's an unexpected name and you didn't know it was there. So go for topic, then choose your age range. So you might be around upper primary or lower secondary mainly, but still keep looking anyway, and then your topic. So for example, it might be fractions, decimals and percentages. Alright, so these are all the topics or sets of questions. Each one has 10 questions in it, which keep changing all the time. If the kids redo it, they'll get a different set of 10. So let's say that you want to put add common denominator and add fractions with no common denominator. For example, you drag them across, then you need to check them. So you right click and preview the activity to check what's actually in there. Is this really what you want? And you start doing the question like the kids. And what you'll find is that if you get a few right, it should get harder. The question should get harder, although I guess if it's a common denominator it's not going to be too hard. I spoke too soon. There you go, not too bad. Okay, and so on, so it should get harder. Alright. So if you're happy with that activity and you want to keep it, that's great. You go back now and you leave it there. And the other ones, are you happy with all of them, you click submit. If you're not happy with it, you have to drag it into the bin and it goes back to the other side. So it's not lost, you just have to drag it across to have a look and then put it in the bin if you're not happy, and it goes back again. When you're satisfied with your activities, let's say you've got 4, incidentally, you have a maximum of 15 I think here in one unit or topic. But when you're finished with up to 15 and you're happy, you click submit topic. Alright, and now it'll be in there. I think it was it in this one? Let's check it. So let's just check if it's in there and it's working. Was it that one? Yep. Submit topic. So I might want to change the name of that to fractions, but anyway. Now very importantly, once you're happy with what's in each one, you have to hit submit course as well, or it won't change, won't save your changes. If I was to click exit there. Now it is saved, it's done. So if I go view now, I can see that in my ratio one are the 4 ones I picked. So if I want to view them, I just click on that and I can start working just to check what it was again if I'm trying to organize that. So that course is set up. Your students are linked to these activities. So as soon as the student logs in, they will see these activities, and you might like to go in as one of your students as a test to see what they see when they log in. I'll put a how-to video on their Blackboard course as well. So that's pretty much it. You go in through Course Creator, so log in with the administrator password. Go to Course Creator, go to the course is already created, so you just go down and find yours and edit it or view it. Alright, and don't forget to hit submit a couple of times to make sure your changes stay, and your kids automatically get those when they log in. They just keep getting updated, so if you add new ones, they'll be there next time for the kids. You'll need to put a link to Mathletics in your virtual classroom. It encourages them to go in there, and some information in there about which activities you want them to do. Alright, so you might say go into the ratio unit and complete the following activities today, and then next time go into the fractions unit and complete these activities. Anyway, that gives you the idea. And just one last thing to add, I forgot to mention that you can move things around if you drag, and you can swap them around. Same inside the activities. If you want to reorder the activities, if you want calculating percentages to be first, you just drag and move it up and around. Okay, so I think that's pretty much got it. That's enough. Bye.